Bhanuvati, tell us how your experience was of this 3 months.
It was wonderful, sir. It was like, actually, you took care, like how we take care of a baby, when it is born. And then, we nurture it like that. It was, that type of a feeling we had. That is, especially I had. And it was really wonderful because every step I took, it was a challenge for me. Really, I'll tell you, because I have never done videos, never in social media. So everything was a new thing for me. But I did it. I just followed you. That's it. Whatever you said, it was 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I did it. I put it in this. I made it a point that, the challenge was given. I have to complete it. Whether it is good, bad, I didn't see anything. Now, you said that you do 100 videos. Don't see the quality, nothing. Just keep posting. I did the same thing. Even for the boost, I didn't have any video at that time to boost. So I just made a poster and I boosted it. I got more than 16,000 views for only one day. But that was amazing. When I saw that, I said, Areva, at least so many views. Never it has happened in my life that had happened. So all these things, put together in a nutshell, it was really wonderful. And the workshop which you told us to do, I was very, very, very nervous because I've done workshop, but that was with my sir, yoga sir. That is my guru. He was there by the side and I used to just help him out. That's it. But this was all together, making the slides, making the videos, step by step, how you're going to present it. Everything was new. And of course, I did it very nicely, even the practices. But अंदर तो butterfly चल रहे थे. It was there, but then it didn't show on my face. But there was butterflies in my stomach. I did it, and at the end, third day, I finished my workshop. I've done my challenge. That was this great thing. Whether they joined me or no, that was secondary. To be frank, today, before I joined this, there was one lady who had come to me for one-to-one consultation. I just finished the consultation and then I joined. So from tomorrow, her class is starting with me. So that is another good this. After the workshop, I had given that I will take one-to-one session. She stays in Bavdana, that is in Pune only. She came to my house. She said, I'll come to your house only. So she had come and I had that one-to-one session. It was awesome, sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity to come till here.
What will be your one message for somebody who is yet to take this, who might enter into HBC 4.0? What is your message for them?
Keep your eyes closed. Whatever sir says, just follow. Just keep.
Even if there are butterflies, even if there is tension.
हो जाता है.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
I am Pooja Chadha, a yoga teacher taking yoga classes offline since last 27 years. And I am a neurotherapist and nerve decompression expert. And I'm having my clinic and I treat patient of all joint pains.
And then आपका workshop कैसा रहा? आपको कुछ results आए हैं?
Yes. वर्कशॉप से बहुत अच्छा लगा. फीडबैक्स इतने अच्छे आए. मेरे पास मैसेजेस का बंडल पड़ा है जो मैं अगर आपको शेयर करूं तो यू विल बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपको. लोग बहुत 3 दिनों में फायदा ले रहे थे, उस चीज को बेनिफिट कर रहे थे. और सबसे बड़ी बात कि वो सब कॉन्फिडेंस आया आपसे बार सुन के. वो जितने दिनों हमने मिरर के आगे प्रैक्टिस किया या जो भी एक दूसरे को सुना के प्रैक्टिस किया, वो सब मतलब आज के लिए, इन दिनों के लिए था, वर्कशॉप के लिए था. और वो बिल्कुल ऐसे काम आया जैसे मींस प्रैक्टिस ही कर रहे हैं हम अपनी. तो उसी तरह से हुआ. तो और ये सब हो गया सब.
The reason I joined this community was to take out that fear of facing the camera. So for me, building the confidence was like from scratch. It was zero. The day you gave the task of अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ for that 5 minutes or 2 minutes. पूरा दिन मैंने लगाया था कि करना है क्या. I was like whole day from morning and then I did it at around 9 o'clock in the night. I just pulled that whole day thinking like मुझे वीडियो में सामने क्या बात करूँ, कुछ मतलब आवाज ही नहीं आएगा उस टाइम. But yeah, 4th, 5th day it was, and 5th, 6th day I was like ठीक है, किया था ना, अभी कल तो किया था, चलो फिर से करते. So that actually that was one stepping stone.
And Priya, you came with fear, and that fear is now gone, right? It's like butterflies were there, but they've gone out in a formation. You're able to see those butterfly. And one suggestion that you would want to give to anybody who has fear, who wants to start, what will be your suggestion?
Yeah, same, like just go what sir is saying, like just do it. You might feel like I will not do it or I'll skip this, that's okay, but just do it. So after a few days, you'll understand that was worth it. It was just a step. So keep doing it. And all the tasks and all the missions and all, assignments what we are getting it, just do it. And you will understand the end of the time, end of the session, you'll understand all that was worth it.
यहाँ आने के बाद मुझे सर ने बोला कि आपको अगर वर्ल्ड वाइड पहुंचना है तो इसी प्लेटफॉर्म में जाना होगा. आप कितना सिखा सकते हो ऑफलाइन में? मैक्सिमम 20. कितने लोग आपके क्लास में आ सकते हैं जो 3 किलोमीटर्स के आसपास है? और बहुत दिनों से जो मेरे साधक है क्लास के, वो बोल रहे थे कि तू ऑनलाइन क्यों नहीं लेती. बहुत से लोग भी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन वो फियर था कि मैं कैसे लगूंगी, आई एम नॉट दैट मच. मुझे वो भी था थोड़ा मन में कि मैं इतनी सिंपल हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा प्रेजेंटेबल नहीं हूँ, ये भी थोड़ा था. लेकिन फिर पहले दिन सर ने मुझे बताया कि दैट इज़ नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. देखो मेरे भी बाल वाइट है तो मैं भी हूँ ना यहाँ पे. ये सर का मुझे लाइन याद है. तो फिर उस दिन से मैंने ठान लिया कि आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क ऑन कंटेंट. और ये जो मेरा टेक्नोलॉजी फियर है वो अभी तक है थोड़ा, मतलब अभी भी गया नहीं है. मैं पूरे टोस पे थी मेरे, जब मैं वर्कशॉप ले रही थी, कि बिल्कुल मैं यहाँ वहाँ भी नहीं देख रही थी मुझे क्या करना है, चैट बॉक्स देखना है, ये कि बिल्कुल मैंने बेटों को भी बोला था कि मुझे डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है, जस्ट आई वांट टू फोकस माय वर्कशॉप. कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा, कोई कॉल नहीं करेगा, ऐसा था. वो थोड़ा भी नेक्स्ट वर्कशॉप में वो मैं सारा रिकवर करूंगी. मेरा ये जो पूरा 3 मंथ्स का जर्नी है सर, वो बहुत अच्छा रहा. वो बहुत से कुछ मन में मेरे डर था, टेक्नोलॉजी, सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, और मेरा जो एक योग नृत्य का वीडियो है सर यूट्यूब पे, उसको 33,000 व्यूज मिले. और हाँ, और वो ऐसे नहीं है सर, इतने प्योर कमेंट्स भी है, वो कुछ बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है सबको. जो भी कंटेंट है, जो मेरा बोलना है, लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, उनको अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि लोगों को कंटेंट चाहिए. आप कैसे दिखते हो, क्या हो, दैट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, आप क्या दे रहे हो, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. और ये फियर मेरा सर ने पूरा क्लियर किया, वो मैं पूरा भी निकाल चुकी हूँ. अभी भी मुझे बहुत डेवलप होना है. ये 3 मंथ्स का जर्नी मैंने सिर्फ HBC देखा है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं मैंने किया. HBC, मेरे ऑफलाइन क्लास और घर का काम, बस. क्योंकि उतना मैं थोड़ा फोकस्ड हूँ सर लाइफ में. कुछ करना है तो मुझे करना है, बस. कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं ट्रैवलिंग कर रही हूँ, घर में फंक्शन है, मुझे वीडियो करना है, मैं बीमार भी हूँ, आँख में भी कुछ गया है तो मुझे आज का टास्क करना है, लाइक दैट. पहले भी मैं वैसी ही थी, अभी भी वैसी ही हूँ. तो घर के लोग थोड़ा डरते हैं मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ तो.
Maradam, let's come to the results. What kind of results have you been able to produce after you've gone online, after being in Holistic Health Society?
After being online, I started with very few students, and I knew I am not able to build my business up. So when that was not happening is the time I was in a search and I joined Holistic Health Society. The first promise that attracted me in your ad, sir, was how I will teach yoga teachers how to double your income.
Has that happened?
It happened within 2 months.
Wow.
It did. It did.
Maradam, this is my last question to you. As to what is your message to a lot of those yoga teachers who are struggling, who are not able to build their yoga business, even though they want to teach yoga and help others and support their family, they are unable to do so. They are not financially free. What is your message for them?
As online yoga teachers, we need to know what our niches, where our market is there, to what people are we going to advertise. All this we need to know. I learned only from Holistic Health Society to have a niche, to narrow down or to funnel down what kind of crowd that I am looking for, what is my specialization, and how to go about marketing, how to do Instagram ads, how to post or how to advertise your business by posting daily posts to Instagram or Facebook or any kind of social media for that matter. So for all this, these are the refinement that I have seen in myself. Otherwise, I was just having a WhatsApp status, and through contacts of friends of friends, the business was not expanding that much. But after having come here, after having done my homework, the reason behind the transformation is I found out a great mentor. I found out a community for myself. So it is important that you are among like-minded people who are all in the same exact growth mindset and in the same boat as you travel. So it will be easy to help one another. So advice to the growing yoga teachers, I would say, find out a community, find out a good mentor for yourself, like with Narayan sir. I will definitely recommend Holistic Health Society for all of you. Please come. Sir always used to say, brain in the freezer, follow the system. I did exactly that. This system, this freedom business model system that sir is helping us to build, is a fail-proof system. Actually, it is giving results and I am benefiting out of it. So with my personal experience, I definitely would recommend Holistic Health Society for all the budding yoga teachers struggling in their business.